All right, so I have chapter 7, problems 3 and 4. It says beginning of 1 month from now, customer pays internet provider $25 per month for the next 5 years. Assuming all revenue for a year is received at the middle of the year. Estimate the NPV of these revenues. Use R equals 0.15. And then number 4 is the same thing. It's just the XNPV function to the exact NPV of these revenues using the same R equals 0.15. All right, so I'm going to start with number 3. For number 3, so what I had, I just labeled everything. Start off and put the R. Yeah, it's the 0.15. We don't need that right now, but we need it for later. And the time in years, you label it. So these are the times, this is the year that we started off with, and it said for the next 4, or it's 5 altogether, but start off with this one. My formula I put 1 plus D7, and that's the 0.625 is the middle of the year. You just keep going with it. So second, third, and then the fourth. It's all with the same kind of formula. And then I got the 300. It's from 12 and 25. You multiply that together, it equals $300. And this is what you really want right here. It's the formula. So in the middle of the year, I got 1,156 and 49 cents. I use this formula right here where the R for the NPV is 0.15, and you got 300 times 4. It equals basically that. And then to get that in today's dollars, you do the same thing, except you I use this formula where you multiply 1.15 because it's the year plus the 0.5 up here. It is to the power of 0.625, and simple. You get that. That's how I got problem number 3. For problem number 4, it's kind of a similar thing. It's a little different because you want to put every single month and date. First of all, if you wanted to label it with the year, the month, the day, and you get the date. You see here it says that to get each date, you use this formula right here. For example, if you wanted to, if you want to have 2010, month 12, 1, you would equal, just like it says there. So with that, put date, then you put this in parentheses. You'll say L4, L5, I'm sorry, L5, a comma, then you put M5, put another comma, then you put N, not that, you want N5, put it all in parentheses, and you get the date. So I did that for each and every one of them. And yeah, so the payment's the same. You get $25 every month, and it's pretty repetitive. And then to get the XNPV, you want all these dates and all the payments together. So you highlight it, and it's pretty simple. For the XNPV, you put the G1. That's where it starts, and you go all the way down till you get the very last date. And then same thing, you go, or you do F4 first, and yeah, and all that equals to the problem. And that's how I got the first solution. Thank you.